Hello! For today's video, we have Teacher Eileen to teach us yoga.
Yes. So, for today's video, ang gagawin natin dahil gabi na, we will have a moon salutation. Ready?
Ready?
Raise your arm up. Interlace your fingers. Flip your palm up. And bend over to your right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Go back to center. Exhale. Bend to your left. On your next inhale, go back to center. And step your right foot at the back. And now you should be facing the side. So from here, cactus your arms, 90 degrees. Your elbows are bent. Your knees are bent 90 degrees. Inhale. Exhale. Straighten your legs. Straighten your arms. Windmill your right hand and land it on your shin. Now your left hand reaches the ceiling and stay here for 1 cycle of breath. In. Exhale. When you're ready, bring your left hand down to the floor, followed by your right to the floor, and try to check if you can reach your head to your shin. 1 cycle of breath. Inhale, exhale, and then from here, drop your left knee and raise both arms up for your low lunge. Drop your left knee to the floor, and this is going to be your low lunge. 1 cycle of breath. Inhale, exhale, raise your legs up. And from here, try to bend your left knee for your Skandasana. On your next inhalation, face in front. Still your left knee is bent. And then drop your right knee for your low lunge. Raise your arms up. Inhale, exhale. On your next inhale, come up. And put your left hand on your shin. And followed by your right hand on the floor. We all go back to goddess position. Cactus your arms. 90-degree bend your knees and 90-degree bend your shoulders here. Inhale, exhale. Now on your next inhale, let's go up. Face the front. And sweep our arms up. Interlace your fingers. Flip your palms up. Bend your left. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, go back to center. Exhale. Now bend your right. Inhale, exhale. On your next inhale, go back to center. Exhale, hands on your side. So, ngayon, alam nyo na po kung ano ang moon salutation. Sana ay gawin nyo to kung kailangan nyo ng mga basic stretches para maggalaw-galaw ang katawan. Thank you!
Grabe yung challenge. Yes, for day 89 of our Active 365, this is Coach H. Bum with Teacher I out.